If you need to request a refund from Postmates, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history. Step 2. Access your order history. Navigate to the Orders section, usually found in the menu. There, you can view all your past orders and select the one for which you want a refund. Step 3. Select the order. Tap on the specific order that you are seeking a refund for. This will bring up the order details, including items purchased and delivery information. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to report an issue or request a refund. Follow the prompts to explain the reason for your refund request, such as missing items or incorrect orders. Step 5. Submit your request. After providing all necessary details, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation message, and Postmates will typically respond within a few hours to a few days regarding the status of your request. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates on your refund status. If you have any further questions, you can always reach out to Postmates customer support for assistance.